Hi, I'm Jimmy, and I wanted to tell you a little bit about my 1973 Ducati 750 GT. I picked it up at auction a couple of years ago at the Mecum auctions in Vegas. I wasn't expecting to purchase a bike that year, but you know, that's what happens when you go to auctions with money in your pocket. You end up bringing something home. Basically fully restored when I picked it up. The only thing I had to do was to double check the engine, make sure everything was cool, clean the carburetors. I found a really good mechanic, Zen House, that I go to, and he gave it its blessing. It's mostly stock. There are a couple of features that were not part of 1973, like the dual disc. That was an upgrade, added upgrade. I haven't ridden it a whole lot. I have a couple other bikes that I try to switch off on, but I mean, it pulls like a modern bike. The first time I rode it, I was actually shocked how hard it pulled for a bike from 1973. The things I like to do with it, of course, is ride it. You know, we live in a great area with lots of hilly back roads, so I take it out as much as I can, and I put it in a couple of shows. Actually, last year, this won first place in the Danville Concours d'Elegance, which was kind of a surprise.